Hello friends. Few days back ago, I was having problem in my computer. This is the Acer. I don't know whether we can see or not. Okay, this is the Acer computer, and it was installed Windows 7, I think. Yeah, Windows 7, and the Microsoft Office uh, version 3, 2003, as much as I remember. Then I installed Microsoft Office 2018 or 19. I exactly 2008. I exactly don't remember, but the advanced version. But suddenly one day I surprised because my computer stopped to work. So it's maybe due to the Windows 7 or whatever problem. So I visited one technician and asked him uh, to renew, to format my computer and install new window and new Microsoft Office. Okay, so what I can see here, he has installed PowerPoint window Office 2016, which I see here. So he has installed this. But now I have to know uh, about the what is this cybercam link where you cam 7. Okay, so now I have to look on the version of the window, which version. So uh, how to find which version? So here we have to write computer. I click here, open page. Here you see, now you can see all. So I write here computer, computer, computer. This is computer. Then when you write the computer, you will see this. And this is in Spanish. No problem because I live in Spain, so it is in Spanish. Moreover, it is same for the English and Spanish. So now it should be right click here, and we have to go to properties here. In the property, what we are seeing, whatever there. Okay, these are all the things which we have to see. But I'm interested to know about the version of the window here. So he has installed Windows 10 Home. Okay. Window feature experience pack. Okay. And I'm more interested about the storage. What is the capacity of the right now? 297 gigabyte. Yeah, because that was that is also important to know. So I have enough space right now in my computer. Temporary file. Even we can see the battery. What is the situation of the battery? Okay. 24 hours for application. Sound. So there are so many options depending on what you want to look. You can click. What is tablet? In tablet, this one. Cage Moto Tableta. Ah, touch entry. So can I convert this in tablet form also? No idea. I never have done. This is quite interesting. We can look. This is new for me. Okay. Okay. Okay, so one day I will use it. We'll see. I will see whether what is the possibility. You see here, it is written that is this don't have the touch functions. So here we cannot convert my laptop in the tablet format. So this computer don't have. So if your computer has this option, you can convert your computer and your laptop in touch in tablet also. Fantastic. Good. So this is the way you can know the configuration of your computer. Okay. What more thing he had installed here? Nero Burning. Okay, Nero Express. Acrobat Reader, Cyberlink. These are all the things he has installed. What more thing? The okay. Okay, now I have to use this computer. Let's see whether it is now all the problem which I faced earlier, now it is solved or not. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.